When disaster strikes, are you prepared? The NAIC found that 59% of homeowners had no home inventory. Many were paid a settlement far less than what their possessions were worth because they missed items or didn't know the value of items at the time of the disaster. Today we'll be talking about how you can prepare your family for that unexpected disaster. The first thing you can do to get your home prepared for that disaster is to be well informed on your insurance policy and coverage. For example, many homeowners think that their policy covers them in the event of a flood. However, that's not always true. That's why it's very important for you to look over and understand your homeowner's insurance policy. Consider scheduling a meeting with your insurance agent to ensure that your coverage is well suited to your needs. Many policies offer endorsement for backup of sewer and drain or overflow of a sump pit. These are especially important to add to your policy if you have a finished basement. Many also offer increased limits for special items, such as jewelry, coins, firearms, tools, artwork, and more. Talk to your agent or review your policy to determine what options are available. The next thing you can do is to document and keep track of your household belongings, also known as keeping a home inventory. Today I will be walking you through that process and explaining why it's important for you to create a home inventory list. It's very simple for you to start a home inventory list. You can enter it into a spreadsheet and take photos of your household items. Today, I will be using the checklist created by the Minnesota Department of Commerce, which is also available for you to download for free on our website. Your home inventory list should not only include your luxury items such as jewelry, art, and designer handbags, but also your personal effects such as electronics, computers, appliances, furniture, and clothing. Don't forget about the tools in your garage or workshop, even the batteries. Please take note of your disposable items such as paper towels, makeup, hygiene items, and more. Everything adds up when there is a major loss. Now let's get started with creating our list. When creating your home inventory list, here are some things to include. Item name and serial number, if available. The price of the item when you purchased it. Date of purchase and where you purchased it from. And the make and model of the item. Something to keep in mind when you're doing your home inventory is to document your home's current condition. This includes taking photos to document the current condition of your paint, your cabinets, your flooring, and so forth. Keep your receipts for big ticket items in a safe place, such as in a firebox or by scanning them to a cloud storage system, such as Google Drive or iCloud. Now that you know how to create a home inventory checklist, be sure to keep it updated regularly as you make future purchases. Make it a habit to revise your home inventory list after major holidays, birthdays, or other special times of year. It pays to be proactive, so make sure to create a home inventory to document your loss, so your insurance company can reimburse you for what you lost when that unexpected disaster strikes. If you have any questions, please visit the Minnesota Department of Commerce's Disaster Information Center on our website.